Okay, awesome. All right. Okay. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. And I hope that okay, I think we should all give ourselves a pat on our back because we have survived 2 weeks of HBL. Yeah. Parents, type in a feeling word that describe your feeling right now, especially when today and yesterday our kids went back to school. Type in a feeling word. Happy. The happy is from the kids or the parents. Relieved. Yes, Sebastian, I can feel you. Yes. When my children boarded the school bus, I was like, oh my gosh, thank goodness. Yeah. So yes, yeah. Okay. So like all of you here, my eldest is P5 and as well. And normally when I teach, I go all out and I share with you how exactly I teach my own kids too. I do not hold anything back, and the reason is because why I teach the parents is because at the end of the day, children who do well are those they also consist mainly those parents who actually want to do it with them. Yeah, so which is why I'm a, a strong supporter of parents who teach other to teach their own kids. So keep it up. So keep it up. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. So now, before I start, type in 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on how many times you have attended my session. Yeah. So if let's say there's no 1 or 2, I will just go straight into the teaching. Yeah. For those who attended like multiple times, you know that at the end of the day, there's a test for you. Right? Okay, good, good. Okay, so mostly 1 or 2. All right, okay, okay. Welcome. Ken. Yeah, probably for those who attended much, they have actually gone off because those are the P6s. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, so let me start now. Okay, so give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, so to really benefit from this session, I really need your help to take out a pen, paper and a pen. Yeah, and if your child is next to you, I always encourage like a group work. Okay, the group work doesn't mean that your child do and you listen. No, it's not. Yeah, group work means that your child has his own paper or her own paper. You have your own paper as well. Okay, so when your child does his or her work, one thing that I noticed that even for myself, what I like to do is I like to peep over and see what he or she is doing. Parents, raise your hands up if you do that once in a while. Yeah, we like to peep over. Yeah, me included as well. Yeah. So a lot of times being a P5, we really want to give your child the autonomy as well as the confidence that they can do well. Yeah. So children do one set, parents do one set as well. Then at the end of the day, you all can discuss with each other what did you learn. Yeah. And the reason why I want to stress on this is because a lot of times whenever a maths session is done, um, somehow we tend to focus more on the mistake made, which is important as well. Yeah, but I think a better takeaway in terms of how we can phrase it to make the learning experience a more pleasant one is what did you learn compared to what mistakes did you make. Yeah, I mean, we are all adults here for the parents. Imagine your boss comes along to you and say, what mistake did you make compared to what do you learn? Which one do you prefer? Which one has a nicer tune? It's always a learning point. Yeah. So for my style, it's not just about helping you to solve the math questions. A lot of times, I also want to share with you how we parents can be a better supporter for our kids, not just in terms of paying their tuition fees or giving them pocket money, yeah, but also in terms of being very conscious in how we talk or even how we phrase the words. Yeah. Like for example, why are you so careless? It's a very common one compared to how can you be more careful? Yeah. And I really highly encourage parents to use how can you be more careful. Okay, Ken? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for parents who is seeing me for the first time or second time, I just want to do a quick intro of me. Hi, I'm Coach John, and I run Learning Out of the Box. And what we do here is we support busy parents who teach their kids maths just like me. So a backstory of myself is when my eldest was born, she's 11 this year, just like your kids. When she was born, many friends told me that, hey, John, you know, your kid is going to find maths in primary school very hard. Type in hard if you agree that somehow, especially in P5, our children start to find maths really hard or harder at least. But type in hard, yeah. Yes, and being the very kiasu dad or protective dad, I decided to want to learn more so that I can better support my kid. Then I went on to find and I realized that there are not a lot of support for parents like us who want to teach our kids. So I went on a journey to create a Facebook group to share with other parents how I actually teach my own children primary school maths, and also making sure that she likes it and she also does not lose confidence by learning that. Yeah. So this is how learning out of the box is born. Okay. Yeah. So along the way, there are many medias that have heard about us because we are one of the very few pioneers who coach parents as well. So this is what you see. Okay. So along the way, our mission is always to support parents to be able to be an effective teacher at home. This is how we created so many maths guidebooks to support parents like you. All right. Okay. So my big promise to you for today is to help your child know how to do well for P5 maths. And even though it may not be the first session that you have attended, but a lot of times I have heard of children not knowing that problem sum types exist, or they have no idea that problem sum types are tested in their maths. Okay? Okay, so just some what parents are talking about said about me is when I coach, I also make sure that I want to upgrade your child's mindset. Yeah, and the reason is because children who are strong-minded, they tend to be more confident and they tend to do better in the primary school scene, be it in maths or science. Okay, and at the same time, by learning all these strategies, and when we upgrade your child's mindset, their grades can soar really fast and also within a very short time. Okay? Okay, so today we're going to play a very simple game. Yep. Type in yes if you have played this game before, which is called Spot the Difference. I think the children tend to be the ones who know all this. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now, okay, children, within like 10 seconds, type in one difference that you see. Yeah. You can just type in the name of the object. Yeah. Okay, awesome, awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Children, can you see how fast you are when you're able to spot the difference? Okay, so why we do this is because a lot of times when a child is presented a problem sum versus another similar problem sum, when the child doesn't know what to spot, they get confused. Yeah. And children, this is a very good example that when you can spot the difference fast, you are able to write it out. So by typing out is like an activity that you do that is similar to solving the questions. So today I'm going to teach you what you are really good at, which is called spotting the uniqueness. Okay? Okay, so today's session is really to see the questions like a game, and I want you to spot the difference. And what this really means is you need to spot one keyword that describe the problem sum type. Okay, before we start, can you type in one problem sum type that you have learned before? Yeah, mommy can type in one, child can type in one as well, dad can type in one as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Kingsley. Okay, Sebastian. Okay, so far so good. Joel. Hi, Joel. Okay. Oh, this class is really good. Okay, they know the concepts. Yeah. Okay, I'm so glad that all of you got it right, because a lot of times when I ask for problem sum types, even for this year's P6s, they gave me topics like ratio, fraction, percentage. Those are not problem sum types. What we meant are those heuristic problem sum types that your child must know. And for example, I saw a BCA here and fraction. BCA is a table. Yeah. BCA, I would say it's a process of solving the questions like you have before, change, after. So it is not a heuristic concept in my opinion. And fraction is not a concept. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so just take note. Assumption is the problem sum technique to solve the problem sum type guess and check. So just take note as well. Before and after is not a concept, because if you look at all maths questions, they are all before and after, and there's a change inside. So take note as well. And model drawing, model is spelled wrongly, MODEL. Model drawing is a Singapore maths process that kids tend to be a visual learner and they need to draw models. So model drawing is not a concept as well. And it's okay for children who are not very sure what concept is. So I hope that today's session will give you a different perspective on that. Good. Okay. Now, today I'm going to share with you something that many P6ers are, they still struggle even up to a month before PSLE. Yeah, so I do not know whether I will see you again, but for the fact that you are here, I want to make sure that I help you to clarify and strengthen this concept and the technique, because this is also tested in PSLE as well, and many P6ers still struggle even after 2 years of learning that. Yep. So now parents and children, get it out and give me the answer. Now we have 88 participants, which is a very nice number. Or 89 now. Okay, if you know the technique, go ahead and do it. Okay, go ahead and do it. And whatever I'm going to share here is something that your child must know by now. And again, if your child doesn't know it, do not fault him. Because children learn differently and they're taught differently as well. So what we are trying to do here is to help your child to gain more confidence. Okay? Okay, got it. And let this session uplift your child rather than spotting what he doesn't know. Yeah, it's more to help your child to move on to the next level. Okay. Perhaps you can share openly lah, huh? Okay. Now, very good. Okay. To me, yes, answer is important. Just like any parent, we want our children to get the right answer. However, during normal practice, let's go for understanding, which is more important than finding the right answer. Because we want our children to be able to apply the same technique to solve any similar question. And this is the key to do well. It's not about solving tons of questions, getting them all correct, and not knowing what to apply. The key is about solving as few as possible, having a clear understanding while feeling confident at the same time. So that's the difference. Okay, so now, children, tonight I want to share with you a technique called the KCNSU. Okay, KCNSU. And K stands for keyword. Very good. Okay, keyword. In all questions, there is always one or two words that define the problem sum type. which we call the concepts. Yeah. And N stands for, without N, it is probably an English paper. Children, can you help me out? What is N? What do you think N is? Very good. Parents as well can join in also. Okay, S. Without S, sometimes we have no idea what we have written. Okay, good. S is statements. And Coach John is 1.8 cm tall. Do you agree? Or 1.8 meter? What's wrong here? Yes, unit. Good. Okay, now it's really hard to pronounce KCNSU. Children and parents, try to pronounce this in your head now, or pronounce to each other. How do you pronounce KCNSU? Okay, I can see Adam and Mommy try it out now. Yeah. Yeah, this is a good thing when you have a parent and child. Yeah. Esther and Chloe can try as well. Sue is Sue mommy or daughters? Okay, Sue and mommy and daughter can try. Yes. Okay, please try. Yeah, Zara as well. Mommy is Sue. Yeah, Kingsley's plus mommy pronounce. Okay, very hard to pronounce. Very hard to pronounce, right? Okay, so now in LOB, the children learn to form a story that says kitten can never swim underwater. Okay, yeah. This is a form of memory technique that we can get children to remember rather than just forcing them to remember what is being taught. Yeah, which is very dry. This is using story. So yes, correct. Yes. Good. Some children say that I mentioned before, that means you actually pay attention and your memory is really good. Okay, now parents and children, can you spend a minute to form your KCNSU, form your own story? Just a quick one. Just a quick one will do, yeah? And once you finish it, just type it out. And this activity is very important because a lot of times you may not remember what I've taught you, yeah, but you remember the story, which somehow reminds you to do this. And if you find your child always make mistakes, right? These are the 5 steps to help your child to clear their mistakes. Okay? Okay, for those who manage to get a story out, just type it out. This session is meant to be interactive. And I like the headphone that Jamie is wearing. It makes her look so cool. Okay, Adam, King Coco never sees underwear. Okay, if your mom is okay with that word, I'm okay with it as well. Yeah. Travis, knowledge can never surpass understanding. Oh my God, coming from a 11-year-old. Travis, I'm gonna steal your quote. Oh my gosh, Travis, amazing. Okay, Jovan, King Kong can never stand upside down. Okay, good. Okay, Julian, if your parents are okay with it, King Kong can never shoot underwears. Sorry, this session also got parents. Parents, if you're okay with it, I'm okay also. Yeah, yeah. So for the fact that you can see smiles on parents' face, somehow I think it is a good start that learning maths can be creative as well. I mean, doesn't mean that you just need to do questions after questions. Yeah. So coming out with an alternative actually makes learning maths a more enjoyable session. As you can see right now live, I didn't plant the smiles on the parents' face. As you can see, they're moving. Yeah, they're moving actually. Yeah. So if your child finds maths is hard, you may want to ask yourself, how can you use more of the out of the box technique to make it fun for children, just like this. Okay. Okay. Now, Okay, so right now, children, can you type in the keyword for this this question? What is the one keyword that stands out, that defines the question type? Okay, thanks, Kingsley. And all to all. Yes, remaining. Okay. Children who is not very sure, I hope that you can join in as well. Yeah, some of us are pretty shy, just like me when I was in P5. I hope you can just type in what you think is correct. And children, never never think that you are wrong. Okay, just type in, and then if we make a mistake, we learn from it and it's fine. Okay, so this is the mindset for this session. Yep. Because some kids, they are so scared to make mistake that they stop trying. Okay, good. Good. Okay, very good. So this is actually remaining. What's the concept when you see the word remaining? Remainder, yes. Okay, so today, remaining tells you remainder. Okay, what is the what is the method for remainder concept? Okay, we are branching, we are pull down. Go ahead. Which one is hard for you? Which one is hard for you? Branching is really hard. Okay. Some of us, I have heard children saying that they are told not to learn branching because it's not required. For me, I feel that it's taking away a tool from your child's toolbox that can help your child. And also some questions can only be solved faster using branching. Okay, so Caroline, all right. Okay, so children, okay, this session is more for kids, so I'm gonna help them because they have to sit for their SA2. Yeah, parents, anything you can just ask me in the chat box and I'll be happy to share as well. Okay, children, tell yourself, if you know branching, you know pull down. If you know pull down, you know branching. Okay, so now Coach John is going to share with you how to solve using pull down and branching at the same time. Yeah, because I want to remove the stuckness that branching is hard. I want to use pull down, or pull down is easier. I don't learn branching because it's so hard. Yeah, okay. If you know branching, you know pull down. When you know pull down, you know branching. So this is how it works. Okay, now, okay, 1/4 of them, okay, are red. Okay, I'll just quickly underline or circle the key stuff now. Okay, okay. Now, children and parents, what do we start off for pull down? What do we do first? Okay, pull down, I'll show you. Later, I'll do magic. Okay, draw a box. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, draw a box. Okay. And this one is actually one hole, correct or not? This is one hole. Okay. Branching wise, also start off from one hole. And can you see that this is one hole? Okay, I'm reteaching some. I'm reteaching because some kids told me that they need help, so I want to go with the kid that needs more help. Okay, so parents and children, if you are a fast learner or you think that it's slow, my apologies, because this session, my main aim is to help support children, especially those children who are left behind because they are not fast enough. Yeah, so just to share and put this out there. Okay. Okay. So out of the one box, how many boxes must you cut the one hole into? Very good. Okay. Why? Because 1/4. Okay. 1/4. So you cut into 4 boxes. Okay. Applying the same thing in this first sentence, it says that 1/4 for red. Yeah. So I will just put this here. Children, can you see that whatever I'm doing for the pull down is same as the branching? Type a yes if you can see that it's actually follow in sequence. Very good. Okay, now this part is called the, Gabriel, thank you very much, remainder. Okay, I'll try to write as near as possible. Still haven't mastered the digital pen. So now this is the remainder. Children, 1 whole minus 1/4. What is that? You can do that. Very good. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Very good. Okay, so now you have secured half of the branching already. Yeah. Now, some of you ask me, like Joven, right? What is pull down? Okay. Can you see that this is remainder, and it has to be cut again into 5 boxes. Okay, how do you cut 3 boxes into 5 boxes? Is it easy or hard? How do you cut? It's easy. Okay, now I ask you lah, 3 and 5, what is the common multiple? Go, quick. You can do it. 15, which means I must cut this into 15 boxes, which is a bit tough for some children to digest. Yeah, so again, let's not make math scary. We do what is easier for children. Okay, so now we don't care what is on top. We pull it down. Okay, we pull it down. Okay, we pull it down. We pull it down to form another space. Okay, so now here we cut into how many parts? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join to scale. Cut into another 5 parts. Can you see that? I'm trying my best to use the same color code so that the kids can remember. Children, they are more creative and they are visual learners. Yeah, in my own experience. Okay, so this is a blue. Okay, can you see? Repeat after me in your head. 2 out of 5 of the remaining. So children, what's the number must I put in this box? Very good. What's the label? Okay, thank you, Jay and Chicken Nugget. Blue. And here got 3 out of 5. What is the label? What's the label? Black. Very good. Can you see how good you are? All of you are fast learner. I'm so proud of you. Yeah? Okay, good. And what number do we put here in this box? Okay, 3. Okay, 3. So now, what is pull down? You pull a long bar down to a shorter one because we don't want to cut the top into anything else. We just want to make sure that it's easier for us. In fact, this is something that you learn in primary 1. Have you learned part hole before? Part hole? Yes. Part hole means a part cut into smaller parts. Christmas is coming, right? Christmas. Some of you look confused. It's coming soon. Yeah. Okay. In another 1 month's time now. Log cakes, right? Log cakes, they are all rectangle. You cut into parts. Okay. So this is how I get you to remember. Okay. So Joben, I think someone by the name of Joben asking what is pull down. This is what it means. Because we do not want to waste time to cut this into 5. Cut this into 5 more parts. Okay, sorry. Okay, so imagine if I cut the top into 5 more parts, it's going to be like this. Okay, like that. Okay, parents and children, what do you think will be some of the possible mistakes I will make while cutting like that? Now you're a teacher, yeah. You want to catch Coach John. What do you think will be some of the possible mistakes? Draw too many lines, wrong number of parts. Even if I want to count, I may count wrongly also. Yeah. And the more I count, my anxiety will go up or go down. Yes, will go up, right? And even if the teacher wants to give you marks and after marking 100 scripts, Do you think she'll go and count for you? They won't go and count for you. Wrong is wrong. Okay, so that's is the beauty of pull down model. Can? Yeah, so type in easy if you feel that now pull down method is actually just like branching. Okay, good. Yeah, so within like 5 minutes, I demonstrated how easy it is to explain to you and master both methods at the same time. A lot of times it's not because it's hard, it's because it's explained in a way that is hard for kids to understand. Yeah, so I hope that this really helped. Okay, good job. Okay, now, okay, I need to give it names. What name can I put here? What name? Should I put Avengers or Orange or Coach John? Okay, what should we put in the box? Chicken nugget, bananas. Really? You ask your mommy, can or not? Those children with parents, I want you to ask your mommy now. Mommy, I want to put chicken nugget here. You look at your mom's face. Is she smiling or is she frowning? Okay. 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 Just put some humor lah. Otherwise, it's very dry. Okay. Let's put units. Okay. Let's put units. Okay. Now, what name do we put underneath for maths, for Singapore maths? Okay, parts. Okay, parts. Okay, parts. Good. Okay. So for me, in this session, you put units and parts lah. If you want to put chicken nugget or banana, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Let your mommy mark. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So in fact, looking at the color code lah, they are the same thing. Just that for branching, there's something that I think kids may not have learned in school. Okay, children, let me test you. There's a word here for the fractions here. What is this? There's a word here. What do you write? Okay. Yes. Chicken nugget. See the answer. It's called actual fractions. Yeah. Okay, children, I want you to try out one actual fractions. How do you find the actual fractions for the blue? Do it now and give me the answer. Parents can try as well. And remember, the more you participate, the more you learn. Yeah. So for mummies, you can test your husband later. For daddies, you can test your wife later. 310. 310, okay? Okay, good. Okay, type in a no if you do not know what is actual fraction. So I know you don't know. Okay. Now, this of is times in maths. Can you see this here? Of 2/5 of the remaining. 2/5 of 3/4. Is 2/5 the actual fraction? It's not, yeah. Zara, that one later I explain. Okay, 3 and 5 common multiple is 15. Okay, that's why 5 in the box, because for 3 sections. Okay, so whatever we do here is just following the sentence. And children, if you're not sure, just follow the sentence, and the sentences actually show you the working. So now, 2/5 times 3/4 to give you 6/20. 3/4 times 3/5 to give you 9/20. Okay, quick question. Why I don't simplify? Let's see who can answer. Or anyone can answer. Why? Why I don't simplify like what my mommy told me? Yes, because we need to keep everything as over 20. Yeah. Okay. So this is 5 out of 20. 5 out of 20. So can you see here? 5 out of 20 for red, 6 out of 20 for blue, 9 out of 20 for black. And all this should add up to become what? Jen Hen, you're correct. Very, very smart. Good. Yes. Okay, so children and parents, I also want to give you some checking mechanism. How do you check? Yeah, how do you check? If this is 20 over 20, you mean that it means that your actual fractions are correct. So make sure that you get your child to check like this. Can? Okay? Okay, so recap on this is okay, so hold on. Actually, I got a lot of things to share with you. Yeah. Because I'm not sure whether I'll see you again. Okay, so just want to make sure that you benefit the most. Okay, now I see. Okay, you see how I solve the question. I let the sentences guide me. Okay, look, I can only do it once. What color should I use? Let's use green. Can you see this? 1/4 of them are red. Over here, okay, are red. So I do it as per normal. I draw 4 boxes. I only label 1 out of 4 as red. For branching, it's the same thing. I just follow the process and translate the words into numbers. That's all. Okay. Not solving it yet. 2/5 of the remaining. I don't care what is in the remainder. I pull it down. Okay, I pull it down. I just cut the 5 boxes, and then I call 2 parts blue and the remaining black. Can? So same thing. This part is actually these whole sentences translated into fractions called branching. Yeah. So a lot of times if children tell you that they are lost, tell them follow the sentences. Yeah. Some children are confused because they look here, they go to the back, they go here again. They have no idea what to see. So they try to put down all the fractions together and add or minus. Yeah. Type in yes if you have the same experience at home. Yeah. It happens to one of my kids also, until I teach her how to see in a systematic way lah. Then she's less scared. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this whole branching is the same as this one. Again, are we solving that yet? No, we are not. We are just putting them into a layout that's easier to understand. And how come we know is pull down or branching? Because it's remaining. That's why it's KCNSU is not C and K. Yeah. The keyword tells you the concept. So keyword first, then remainder. You do not find the concept first without going for the keyword. Also, there's a reason why the K is in front of the C. Yeah. A lot of times people put C in front of the K, then they don't know what to do. All right. So now, some of you are going to tell me that my child said that the teacher said to do this or that. Okay, your teachers know best, follow what they want, okay, because they're the one who give you marks. Again, some children will say they prefer pull down, some will prefer branching. Children, it's up to you. Some of us are more visual, we choose pull down. Some of us are more logical, we choose branching. Even for a parent and child, I've seen a parent who loves pull down, but the child is very logical and very fast. She prefers branching and it's totally fine, okay? But again, I just want to give you 2 methods here so that you can actually solve it using various method. Okay? Okay, type in 2 if you understand these 2 methods before I quickly solve it and then I move on to the next one. Okay, good job. Okay, so now I got to solve because if I don't solve it will drive some of us crazy who wants answers. Okay, now children, with units and parts what do you need to be able to find the value of the unit or parts? You need a number, right? Okay, I've already used 1/4. I've already used 2/5. What number I haven't used yet? Very good. 9. Okay. So these numbers will point us to the how to solve. 3 parts is equals to 9. 1 part is 3. Okay, the remainder is actually 5 parts, which is 15. Okay, so this whole thing is 15. This whole thing is 15 as well. Okay, 15 here, 15 here as well. Okay, so right now, remainder also is 3 units equals to 15. Okay, find your North Star. North Star, NS, North Star. For LB kids, follow the word North Star. Is your guiding light that you must always find 1 unit for problem sum. Okay, then you'll find 4U, which is 20. That's all. Can? Okay, children, type in easy if it's easy for you now. I'm more concerned about you because you're going to sit for your exam, not your parents. I want to make sure that you really understand. Can? And children, now you understood. If your friends need help, can you help them? If your friends need help, can you help them? Yes, please help your friends. Huh? Please help your friends. Okay, now for this one, it's a bit interesting because here is 9, right? Here is 9. Okay, so this is actually 9, correct? That means 9 unit out of 20 unit is 9, correct? So 1U is 1. So 20U is actually 20. Can? So the only difference here is actually this part. So branching is very powerful because this whole thing here can do a lot of things. Zara, you okay? Can now I can see you, I will check in on you, huh? Not because I want to point you out. Yeah, if you're on your webcam, I will look after you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, okay, parents, screen grab this one. This one will be your revision note for your P5 SA2 prep and all the way until PSLE. Please screen grab. Yeah. Type done if it's done. Jamie, you okay or not? Jamie? Can okay. Yeah. Okay, some of you ask this when will this end? You end at 9. Yeah, so because I tend to be a bit more long-winded just for the kids. I want to explain until they understand. Yeah. Okay, can okay, good. Okay, done already okay, 5, 4, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so right now you have 2 choices. Before the session, you only have 1 choice, punching or pull down. Okay, I want you to have 2 methods when you go for the exams and not just stay with 1. It's very scary. So it's like not bring your calculator to the exam for paper 2. Okay, so right now I want you to do this using model. Remainder concept got about 3 types, 3 main types. I want to clear this for you so that whenever you see remaining, your mindset will be like, hey, actually I saw this before, I want to do it fast, I can get it correct. This is kind of mindset that I hope all children will have when they sit for paper. Yeah, and not be scared by it. Okay. Okay, check with parents. Aziza, you okay? Can okay, later I'll post the replay up, so don't worry. And mommy, thanks so much for being here. Because I think it's not easy to sit in for your child. Yeah, so give yourself a thumbs up. Okay, good job, good job. Xavier, you okay, Xavier? Xavier, is that your background or is that you? Your Zoom background has a picture, right? Okay, Xavier, you're okay, Amy, again, okay, Amy, you find the answer first. Okay, quick one. Adam and mommy, are you okay? Can okay, and mommy, thanks for being here. It's not easy. Clara and Emma, are you okay? Ken? Yeah, okay. Jen Han, is it? Okay, answer, I'll tell you later. Just give me the answer first. Okay, I got one answer already. Okay, one more check-in with, is that Jaria? Jaria, are you okay? Jaria? Jaria and Mommy, is it? Are you okay? Can yeah. For parents with children, I also want to especially take note lah. Okay. Joban and Francesca. Joban, your mom is next to you. Oh, hello. Hi, hi. Yeah, because I can see a pink shirt. Okay. Li Ling. Okay, Li Ling. Gabriel can Okay. Sebastian, you okay? Sebastian? Can Michelle and Sun. Okay, good. Okay. Sue, you're okay now, Sue? I know mommy is Sue, right? And daughter? Okay. Can or not? You must smile at me, leh. Okay, but your girl okay not? Huh? Can? Okay, Esther, Chen, and Chloe. My middle child is also called Chloe. But Chloe is his mommy or daughter? Okay, okay, good. Okay, so now let's try using pull down. Okay. I only got a few answers and it's fine. Okay, and it's fine. Don't worry, yeah. I hope after tonight you become more confident in remainder because somehow or rather it will surely come out. Yeah, maybe not in SA2, which I think it will happen, but remainder concept is a very common concept. Yeah, you will always see it. Okay. Okay, so right now, let's follow the method lah. We go in sequence. Yeah, they tell us what they have. We will write down or draw out what they have. Can? Okay, so let's start. Okay, team spent. Okay, team spent so much of his salary. So I'm going to draw his salary. Cut off spent. Okay, so children, if you think that this is hard, okay, stay calm. Yeah, the whole thing just follow what they have. The sentence are there to help you. Okay, then this is the remainder. Okay, because of the remaining 3 out of 7. So, okay, P5 generally I'll teach them to go for a shortcut. So we have 3 units here, 4 units. Yeah, so I don't bother to cut them at all. I speed up the process. Can? So children, you can do this as well. But if you're not sure, check in with a teacher. Yeah, because some kids, I know they are very neat. They want to cut them into 7 equal boxes. Some even go and measure. Yeah, please don't. Yeah, the time can be used for other stuff. Okay? Okay, so again, right now, parents and children, I'm not solving it yet. I'm just following the question. Just following. So I label so this is for parents, this is for house. Okay, and this is left. And again, let me just follow. Again, children, stay calm. Some of you may find this confusing. He had 1/5 of his salary left. So this part is actually 1/5. Okay, it's actually 1/5. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, so 1/5 is actually 4 units. Okay, 4 units. Okay, I use another color. Okay, if I draw out another 1/5, children and parents, how many units do I put in here? You can do it. Very good. Okay. Okay. If I draw out another 4 units, okay, again, I know that I've run out of space. What is this? 1/5. Okay, not drawn to scale. My apologies, because my screen cannot be stretched. Here I have 8 units. Okay, type in 8U if you know why 8 is 8, is it 8U? Okay, can anybody not sure? Children, anybody you're not anyone not sure? Because coach one got no space, so I gotta squeeze. So there are two 1/5 here, okay, Ken? Okay, so now. Okay, so right now I'm going to do some form of comparison. This is 3U. This is 3U. Can you see here? Okay, not very neat. I try my best. What should I draw here? How many units? How many units for each shader box? Very good. Okay. So can you see that is 1U plus 4U? That is 6U. Oh, sorry, 5U. 5U plus 8U is what? 13 units, right? Okay, 13 units equals to how much? Okay, by right, I just want to make sure that yes, okay, I will make it neater so that later when you take a screen grab is easier. Okay, so this is actually 1950. Can? Okay, this is for children who are more visual. Yeah, so if you find that this is slower, probably you are more of a logical thinker. For children who needs more visual work, this will help them. Okay, is this better now? Can you see that the remaining 11 units is for 1950? Can you see? Can So 1950. Caroline, okay, hold on. Okay, so 1U equals to 150. Okay, how much was the salary? Put a question mark here. Why? So that you can, yeah, so that you know what you need to find. Okay, and that's a total of 20 units. And that's 20 times 150, and that is 3,000. Okay, so this is model for children who are more visual. Okay, Caroline, hold on. Okay, Caroline, can you see that this is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5? By right, I got to draw another 1/5 and 1/5, right? But I got no space. So I combine two 1/5 together. So for the whole thing, you just want to make sure that it's a total of 5/5. Get it, Caroline? Okay? Okay, good. Okay, now next. Okay, for parents and children who are able to get it, I want you to solve using branching. Next, try branching. Okay. Okay, I'll try one last time. Okay, this is for parents and children who are not very sure. Let me just erase. Okay, Sue and Niner and Mommy. Hold on. Okay, for parents and children who are able to understand, you try this one using branching. Please try. Please try. Yeah. For those who are not sure, let me try again. Okay, let me try again. If not, you gotta watch a replay. Okay. Okay. Now, Sue, Niner, and Mommy. Do you understand why is this called 1/5? Do you know why? Yes. Okay. Would you agree that for one hole to work out is actually 5/5? Yes or no? Just type yes or no so that I know you know. Okay. So which means okay, since this is already 1/5, right? It's actually 2/5 here already. Okay, I make it easier for you. Would you agree that here is actually 3/5? Can? Can Since 1/5 got 4U, what's 3/5? That means 3 groups of 4u. What is 3 groups of 4u? It's actually 12u. Can? Is this easier? Is this easier for you? Okay. Can? Okay. Why 13u? Why? Okay. Why 13u? Total is 20 units because 1/5 is 4u. 5 out of 5 is 20u. Yeah. Here already 7 units. Okay. Claire, for who again? Okay, for Kalin. Okay, for Kalin, this one is for you. 20 units in total minus 3 plus 4u, which is 7u. It's 13u. So while this part is 7u, the rest of the parts is actually 30 units. Understand, Kalin? Okay, can? Okay, if not, what shall we play? How many marks do you think this is worth? I would say 2 marks. Or 3 marks max. So you can finish under 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, type in done if you manage to do branching. Thanks, Travis. Again, the purpose of this session is to get you to be a master of remainder concept. Some of you are in my class, some of you are coming for the P5 final sprint on this Saturday. For many of you, I'm not sure whether you're coming or not, so I want to make sure that you understand so that you can do well for your SA2 prep. Okay? Okay, we have Travis, we have Mei-Ling, we have Jenny, and Chicken Nugget. For the rest, try using branching. If not sure, type not sure. Okay, Nina and Mommy, okay. Joven, it's okay, it's okay. Even if you're not sure, when you say not sure, do not feel like, yeah, why I don't know how to do, but others can. Not sure means I got to learn, yeah? And when I learn, I am better. Okay, now, okay, same thing for branching, we just follow the sentence. Okay, so let's start. Salary is 1 whole, so I put 1 whole, okay? 1950, we just draw like that. Okay, before I draw, remember, okay, children, when you learn branching, also learn the layout. You see, Coach John draw the layout, layout. Okay, this is the layout. Children, in your notebook, draw out the layout now. Then you fill in the boxes, it's easier. So 1950. Okay, so it's 1950 house again. Okay. Then I follow remaining. I don't know anything. I just put R. Can? Again, I'm not solving yet, parents. A lot of times when we see a question, we are pressured to solve. But a lot of times, the better way is to go with the flow. Do not fight the question. The more you fight it, the more anxious we get, the harder it is to solve. So never fight the question. Go with the flow. 3 out of 7. Everybody type in what do I put here. 3 out of 7 of the remaining. So what do I put here? What do I put here? Good. Okay, so parents and 3 out of 7. Okay, now of you are expert already. What do I put here? Very good. Can you see that you are not solving it yet? You are just following the flow. Yeah. And when you follow the flow, your whole branching comes out very nicely. Okay, now let's practice on our actual fraction. We don't know, right? Okay, so we don't know. Yeah, but we know this is 1/5, and it's 1/5 of the total. Okay, What is the method for equal fractions? Type in the equal fractions. Mom or dad, ask your child if they're next to you. What is the method for equal fractions? Travis, okay lah. Okay, thanks Travis. Gabriel, okay. Awesome. Okay, good. Yeah. Parents, if your child doesn't know, it's okay. Yeah. Tell your child, let's learn together. Oh, do not say what you don't know. It's very hurting. Okay, can you see that? Okay, now very good. Now repeat after me. 1/5 of total is equals to 4/7 of remainder. Okay, let me repeat. 1/5 of total is equal to 4/7 of the remainder. Type in yes if you agree. I'm going very slowly so that the children can understand. Yeah, this is not like a speed maths. At the end of the day, is your kids must understand. Okay, with your support. So now, see magic 1/5 of total is equals to 4/7 of remainder. What concept is this? When you see this kind of layout, what is the problem sum type? Children, to do well in problem sums is all about spotting the keywords. It's all about spotting the problem sum types. 1/5 of total is equal to 4/7 of remainder. Children, type in the problem sum type. Nope. Okay, Gabriel and Travis. Yes, I told you before, that's why you know. Not same one. Same one is different, yeah. Colleen, good try. Is not equal unchanged. The one is same difference. Yeah. Okay, Kingsley. Okay, good. Okay, Jen Hen, short of one keyword, short of one word. Okay, your fraction is correct. It is actually equal fraction. Yeah, that means this fraction is equal to this fraction. So how do we make them equal? Everybody, what do? We do this method called tic-tac-toe. Yeah, LB children, you should know. I can recognize many of you here. So equal fraction is 1/5 and 4/7. U stands for up. So remind yourself you have to make up the same. So you have to make numerator the same, and that's 4/20. Can? So now children, total has how many units? Go. Total has how many units? Very good. What about remainder? Seven units. Okay. Now okay, going back to this. Okay, I'm going to use a thicker pen. Total is 20 units. Okay, a bit hard to see, but I draw it super big. Remainder is 7 units. Children, do you remember your number bond in the school in primary 1? Yes, do not throw away your number bond. It's essential for get and check as well as this equal fraction. Okay, so what is this value? Quick. Good. Okay, so I put in the units. And this is 1950. Okay, children, I want you to feel confidence that you can do also and be part of the solution. Now, everyone, those who didn't get the answer, I want you to start working on this and tell me the final answer. Even though you know the answer at from the previous question, which is the same. But I want you to continue from here, and when you get the answer out, tell yourself that, hey, actually I can be good in maths as well. Okay? And when you have found the answer, type in good. Cindy, well done. For parents with children who are not doing anything, I highly encourage you to get them to do. The reason is because I'm going to do this for your kid, yeah? Doesn't matter whether you are a LOB kid or not, and something that I do for my own students as well. Okay, Kingsley's is not there, right? Mom is doing. Mommy, good job. Okay, yeah, I'm going to praise every one of you. Yeah, if possible. Okay, okay, Ernest, Mom, awesome. Jermaine, very good. Okay, Xavier, well done. Ruth, well done. Chicken nugget. Okay, very good. Zara, is good lah, not God. Okay, okay, Jovan, well done. Zara, well done. Okay, Sue, Wei Ping, Heidi, very good. Yeah, children. Okay, I know that just now it was a bit hard for you, but for the fact that you can get it out now, it tells you that you just need to learn more techniques. Yeah, do not let the marks define who you are. Yeah, you are very good in whatever you do. Huh? Do not let the marks define yourself. Do not let the marks tell you that you're not good at anything. Huh? Don't do that. It's not healthy for you also. Yeah. Okay. So now continue the question. Yeah. Okay, Gabriel. Okay, so same thing. The rest is just maths. Okay. One U is 150. Then you find 20U. Yeah, it's the same, which is 3,000. Can? Okay. Can? Sue's daughter. Okay. I can see from my side you are paying a lot of attention. That's wonderful. Yeah, one hardworking girl. And you can see your mom so happy when I praise you. Later I'll praise your mommy, okay? Yeah, okay. Our parents, you know my style. It's all about praising. Yeah, it's never about the maths. Yeah. Okay, Zara, you okay? Zara? Amy, you okay not? Can? Very good. Okay. Okay, so so in this concept, got two. Yeah. It is remainder concept, yes, which is over here, and you use branching. But here, when you explain to your kid, you must explain using equal fraction. But if your child is lost, right? Check in if your child actually knows equal fraction, which is another concept. So must be careful. Yeah. It's all about concept. Don't let people tell you that maths is hard. You need method. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's really up to you, Sarah. Probably you need the model to see. Yes, no, yes, no. Jehan, you okay? Ken, good. Okay, still a snapshot again. Then we'll do one last one. Okay. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Good. Okay. This one. Okay, again, your own method, up to you. Yeah. Remainder concept will be one of the 12 concepts that I will cover on this Saturday final sprint. Yeah, so if your child is coming for my workshop on this Saturday, this will be one of the 12 concepts that I'll do. Yeah, so don't worry because I'll be covering all the 12 with your kid so that they can prepare themselves for the SA2. Okay, so don't worry about that. If your child cannot catch up right now, I will do it again on this Saturday. If you think that this is 2 marks, you spend only 2 minutes. If you think that this is 3 marks, spend 3 minutes. This is no more than 3 marks. If this appears in a physics paper, you'll be 1 mark each. So your marks actually get less. That means your method must speed up, must be faster. 4 marks. Unless I'm very kind. Okay lah. If you think Zara, you are right. If you think it's 4 marks, it's up to you. Yeah. So if it's 4 marks, spend only 4 minutes maximum. Still lost after 4th minute, spend 1 more minute. That's all. Okay. So this is how you manage your time. Clara, yes, you are correct. Gabriel, try again. Nina, yes. Yeah. Normally, I don't say that you are wrong. I like to be more selective over my words. When I say try again, that means your answer doesn't match mine. That means must redo lah. Okay. Nina, okay. Type in percent if suddenly you feel like wow, a bit hard leh. Why percent on? Type in percent if you find that percentage is hard. Or this is hard simply because of the percentage. Gabriel, try again. Okay. Clara, thanks for being honest. Later, I will help you with that. Hey, Kingsley, you're back. I thought you are Chinese revision. Finish already. All the best. Okay, Clara. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Vale. Okay, I will give you 1 more minute to try. Yeah. Jamie, you okay? Jamie, can manage to get A? Or you're waiting for me? Never mind. Okay. Sorry. I caught you off guard. Okay, I think you got the answer already. Okay, good job. Okay, can. Yeah, just listen to the technique, okay? Jariel, are you there now? Jariel? You okay? I can only see clouds. Michelle, try again. Okay, Michelle, try again. Well, I really like your Pokemon background. Later, I want to go and find. Gabriel, try again. The answer A is already wrong. Mei Ling, you okay not? Mei Ling? Yeah, you. Mommy in pink. Only one Mei Ling here. Okay, can Do you manage to get A? Oh, wow, steady lah. Smart. Good job, yeah? Okay. Gazelle. Okay. Okay, I guess Adam, okay. Amy managed to get the answer. Okay, Amy. Okay, it's a good try. Yeah, can you try again? Okay, I want you to try again. Okay, now I know both names, Sue and Summer. Okay, not? Managed to try A, Sue and Summer? No, okay. Summer, right? Okay, Summer, I want you to decide whether you want to use branching or pull down. Decide first. Decide and then you type in the chat box. I will help you with that, okay? Don't worry. I don't want you to go away not knowing like, why so tough? Okay, Summer, do branching. Remember the layout that I taught you just now? Draw out the layout. Yeah, draw the layout. Okay. Okay, one last one. Joven, you okay? Joven? Okay, Okay. Xavier, you okay? Xavier? Clara and Emma? Okay, I can, Okay, girls, you are okay. Anything must ask me, okay? Must ask me, Okay. Yeah. Please ask. Ask about this question, about this one. So you can focus. Okay. Children who are stuck. Okay, so many of you got the answer. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, children who are stuck. Remember what I taught you just now? Do the layout. Okay, the layout. Layout of branching. Okay, I will do branching because branching is a bit more difficult. Why? Remainder. Remaining will tell you remainder. Yeah. Remainder concept will tell you is branching. So branching like that. Summer, draw this out also. For kids who are lost, parents make sure that they draw this one out. And for parents who are lost, also draw this out. Then I'll teach you how to fill in the blank. Okay, let's start. All along, we have done remainder concept in fraction. Can we change this to fraction? Clara, it can be both. Okay, another thing, since Clara and Emma said, is this in paper 1 or paper 2? Be ready that it's in both. Concepts are splattered everywhere on the paper. Okay, so just now we did before, right? So we change this to 2/5. We change this to 1/10. So one trick for percentage, when you see percentage in problem sum, quickly change them to fraction. There's also a trick. Yeah. Again, you know that I'm not NIE trained, I'm not an ex-teacher. Whatever I do here is make it very easy for children to learn. Yeah, because I think the beauty of not being trained in school is because so that I can really understand how kids learn and develop a method from their perspective and not from adults' perspective. Yeah, so it's easier for them to bite. Okay, so now food 2/5. Okay, so this is 3/5. Okay, so this is remainder. 10% shoes. What is this? Nine out of 10. Yeah. Okay, so this left. Okay. Okay, now let's practice on the actual fraction. Children, what is off in maths? Parents as well, what is off in maths? What is the maths symbol for off? Yeah, this is times. Okay, times. So 3/5 times 1/10. Okay, 3/50. 3/5 times 9/10 is 27/50. Again, why I didn't sim okay. So hold on. Okay, so what must I do this to? Change to what? Okay, change to over 50. Yes, very good. And how do you check if this is correct? What's the trick here? Please check. Take your own work as well. You got the good habit of checking. So you can get it right before you submit the work. Yes, very good, Jehan. Jenhan, right? Okay. My apologies if I mispronounce your name. Okay, good. Okay. With this one, I can do a lot of things. 27 units over here is equal to 351. So same thing, 1U is 13. I find 50U. Okay, so which is 650. Okay, this is for part A. For those who got 650, congrats. For those who didn't get it yet, it's okay. Learn something from it. Is it okay? Can? So why I like to do branching is because with all this, I can do a lot of things. Okay, so let me repeat. Okay, just repeat quick one. Okay, first thing first, write it down in your notebook. When you see percentage in problem sum type, like in this case, yeah, like in this case, is remainder, tell your child to quickly change it to fraction. This is the trick, must be done one. Yeah, for branching, if your child is not very sure, go and do the quick layout. Yeah, and then fill in the numbers. So spend 2/5 on food, write it down. Remainder 3/5. Okay. Spend 1/10 of remaining, left 9/10. Off over here is times in maths. So is this the actual fraction? No, it's not. It's the fraction of the remainder. Is this the actual fraction? Yes, it is. So how do you find the actual fraction of this? Just take 1/10 times this. Okay, and you get 3/50. This one, do the same thing, 27/50. This one, because of the denominator is 50, I have to do the same thing for this as well. How do you check? Everything must add up to one whole. Okay, so include some mechanism to check your child's work, or at least for them to check in their exam. Ken, Sarah, so far so good. So now, remember I asked in number one, question one, how do you solve it? With all these fractions, you can solve. You need a number. So hunt for the number, which is here, which is 27 units is actually 351, which is over here. Find your North Star. Children in exam hall, when you are scared or you're confused, remember what Coach Juan said. Look for your 1U, your North Star. Look for your North Star. It will guide you. Yeah. And normally to look for this step, you need a number. So it's over here. Can? So number brings you to your North Star. So a few fixed steps. Find the total at first 50 units. Okay, Sarah, you okay? Ken? Okay, good. Travis, okay, Ken? Okay, so last one. 25% discount. Okay, B. Okay, children, I want you to draw out your model. And parents, please check. Where is your 100%? Where is your question mark? Where is your 25% discount? Children, don't skip this step. I need you to do it now. Percentage has been one of the biggest challenge for children, even for P6 kids. It need not be that way for you. You can sort it out right now. Zara, actual fraction is this. Sorry, actual fraction is this times this. Zara, that one is to find the actual fraction. Okay. Okay, the whole model is 100%. Okay, can guide me. Okay. Okay, what else? Cut into 4 parts. Okay, what if I'm lazy? Travis, I'm lazy. I don't want to cut. I only want to cut, draw one line. Sometimes we no need to draw extra things. Okay. Okay, it's coming out. So children, please do it by yourself so that you can show your mommy or daddy whether you know or not. Yeah. Okay, good. Jermaine, good. Okay, good job. Then what's next? Okay, I can see some kids just looking at me. Please draw it out by yourself now. Because your people at SA2, you are going to have quite a few questions on percentage. Yeah, and it's a very tough topic for most kids. Okay, good. Okay, so which one is 65? No. So which one is, if the shoe was bought at a 25% discount, what was the original price? Okay, so have we found 3U here? Yes, we have found, right? So this is 3U. Okay, this is 3U is actually 3 times $13. Children, check your work. Do you put this with this? Give me a yes if you've done it. Take it a no if you're not done it. Yeah. Okay, so this is very important. Because by looking at your model, I will know whether you understand your percentage or not. Okay. Okay, Ken? Okay, good. For those who put no, do you understand now? Yes. Okay, now. Okay, so where will you put the question mark? 100% or 25%? Where is the question mark? Very good, Jermaine. Well done. Okay, so now, okay, so the proper way to present your answer is 75% arrow or equal. Arrow or equal. Not equal is arrow. Equivalent to. Okay, it's arrow. Yeah? And they need to find 100%. Okay, there are two ways. You can find 1%. Okay, you can find 1%, which is 39 over 75. Okay, then you times 100. Or what is a better way? Hold on for a while. I got no space already. Okay, let me draw a white box here. Oops. Okay, for those who managed to find 25%, how will you show it? Okay, let me show you. So 75% equivalent to $39. Not equal. Equal will be marked. There'll be penalty. Yeah. 100% is the answer, right? So we know that we can do 25% because 100% is equals to 4 of 25%. So 39 divided by 3, which is, what is that? 13, okay? Because divided by 3, divided by 3, okay? So it's proportional, yeah? Then times 4, okay, times 4 here, so times 4. Okay, so that is $52, can? Okay? Okay, type in me if you understand fully. Okay, before we wrap up with a summary, which is also very important, type in one thing that you learned from these few questions. Okay, good. Okay, I will need some time to prepare the replay. So once it's out, I'll put up on the Facebook group. Okay. So some parents are asking about this Saturday final sprints. So let me just share a bit with you on what I will teach your kids. Yeah. Okay. So some parents are asking, what will I teach your children on this Saturday? Okay. So a very good job to all of you who has learned this. Yeah. Type in easy if now remainder concept is now easier for you. And do you feel more confidence now when you see remainder concept? Very good. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. So you can see that actually maths itself, in my opinion, is something that can be tackled. Yeah. Again, sometimes because we are not taught the easy way, we see maths as hard. Yeah. So as you have experienced just now, a concept can be cleared within 1 hour. Yeah. And it's possible to clear them under 3 hours as well with the right technique. Okay. So for parents who sign up for this Saturday's final sprint, this is what I will do it for your kids. Okay. Yeah. So how else to get more help is this Saturday, I'll be doing a final sprint, which is from 1 to 4 o'clock. Yeah. And it's only 1 day. Yeah, it's only 1 day. Okay. So for those who want to know what's going to be covered, I'll be covering question types like remainder concept, which is one of them, equal fractions, a simultaneous, working backwards, and so on and so forth, and units and parts. Units and parts using the HDB method is something that is very important for children because there's a high chance that it will come up for an exam, which is what I saw it in the past P5's batches. Yeah. So within that 3 hours, I'm going to cover a total of 12 concepts that your child must know. And why do I do this is because this is what I will do it for my girl to prepare her well for P5 SA2. Okay. Okay. So if you have enjoyed my session, this is what other parents said about me is they find my explanation really helpful. And in the child's words, this girl said that I'm the teacher who can finally explain well to her. Yeah. And for the child to do well, I will need you to help me. Parents, please make sure that your child follow what I taught, just like what we did just now, and also put in the effort as well as to participate. Okay. Okay. And another child also said that what I do is I also take care of your child's mindset as well. Yeah. I don't just teach. Yeah. So a lot of times I tend to be a bit slower because I really want to make sure that every child is attended to and not just taught the method, but also I wanted to walk away. Yeah, to walk away feeling that, hey, actually can do it and maths need not be so hard. All right. Okay. So the actual price for this workshop is actually 297. Yeah. But if you take it out right now, you can actually come with your kid for parents who love to see your child and learn together. Yeah. So for the price of 2, it's actually 97. And then if you sign up now, you can actually get the recording. Yeah, which I think that it will benefit you because some of you will want the recording all the way to SA2 prep. All right. So with that, give me a minute. I will send you the link. And only for the first 10, you'll get the replay. Yeah. So after this, probably I'll take it away. So it'll be good to decide now and then sign up right now. Okay. If you really like what I have done it for you. Okay. So with that, okay, some of you are LB kids and you'll have a session as in a normal lesson. So some parents want to miss out, so they sign up, but they watch a replay. So Vail, this is also one option that other parents take as well, because their children are also having the lesson. Okay, can I'll be here to take on any question that you have about the session or the final sprint. Yeah, so just let me know if you have any question. Jovon, yes. Jovon, you signed up already, right? Or Francesca? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Other than that, if you have nothing for me, you can go off, and thanks so much for your time as well. Okay. I really hope that you learn something from it and feel that, hey, right now actually I can do better. It's all about the technique. All right. Okay. See you people. Bye-bye. Take care. Jamie, you're welcome. Oh, okay, Jamie. Oh, so yeah, Jamie. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's via Zoom. Yeah, I mean now because of COVID, doing actual classes is a bit hard lah, and parents have their concern as well. Oh, yeah. Okay, Well, yes, you can have the recording. Okay, this is the link for those who miss out. For parents who want to hang out for a while longer, how was the session? As in terms of like now when you see remainder concept, give me a number. Like 0 is, well, I still find it's very hard. 10 is I can tackle it. Give me a number. I just want to have a sense of your experience. So yes. Okay. Then take yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Some parents say that you have tuition at the same timing. Yeah. So what other parents do is they still sign up, but they watch the recording. Chani, okay, Chani, can you drop me a private message? How many marks your child get for P5 midterm, mid-year? Please PM me, no need to show to everyone, if you're okay with it. From there, I will roughly know where your child stands. And I'll tell you how to help her. If a lot of parents who are still around, if you have any question for me about helping your child's maths, you can message me. You can be a PM if it's sensitive. Me, at the end of the day, we are all parents lah, so just helping out each other and having children of the same age. Mawani, okay. Okay, if you're, oh, okay. If your child's scoring like just pass, probably just pass paper 1 and struggling with paper 2, just for this SA2 prep, please go back to mid-year paper and work on the careless mistakes. Oh, Xavier, got it. Yeah. Chanyi, for paper 2 problem sums, okay, 2 options you can do now. Watch this replay, and it's okay for children to watch like 2 to 3 times until they understand, and it's fine. Yeah. Esther, yeah, sure. Okay, children can attend by themselves, it's okay. Okay, back to parents with children with borderline case. P5 SA2 paper, in my opinion, question types are quite standard, which is why we are doing this session for them. Yeah. Travis, not sure if you agree. Are the questions types in exam quite standard? But you can spot them. Let's hear from Mr. Travis. Travis, you can actually PM everyone. No need to just message me, because I think parents hearing from you as a child, I think they can also get some insights. Yeah. Okay, so for parents who say that your child need a longer time to process, probably there's not much of framework that they have. Yeah, not enough time. Yeah. Okay. I would say that the immediate solution will be tackle paper 1 first. Yeah, it's okay. And if you think that this session will help you to better know the concepts, or some of them at least, you can sign her up for this this P5 final sprint. Yeah, and then while SA2 paper for P5 is going to be like a full paper, many children will see that for the first time. I would say that make good use of the holidays to work on paper 1 as well. When is my December class? Okay, hold on. Carly, when you say December class, what do you mean? Is it a regular class or is it a workshop? December, normally I rest because after having taught for that 11 months, I feel very tired. Okay. We'll hold on, sorry. Okay, for parents who are looking for my November class, okay, December class as well. Okay, it comes into the December. Can look for this CPS. Okay. This one is in December with day in November. It's 4 straight days. 3 hours. Is it long for kids? Feedback from children is they enjoy a lot and they have learned a lot also. Okay, Vale, can you drop to our... Okay, hold on. A lot of questions from different parents. Okay, Vale, this one. Vale, this is the email. Okay, Carlin, you go to this website. CPS. Everything is there. Okay. Okay. Esther, anything for me? Mom is Esther, right? Or Chloe? Yeah. Carlin, this one is for P5. Okay, for regular class for P6 is over here. Amy, you don't want to go? You look very happy leh. Hey, I like your Zoom background leh. Esther, okay, mom is Esther. Hi, Esther. Esther, thanks for staying back. You just come back from work or something? Yes, or yeah, not easy. So when the parents are around, I want to really thank them. Sue, you okay now, Sue? Sue very happy leh, Sue. Very smiley person. I think your character, you're naturally a very cheerful person. Am I right? Let's ask some. It's one girl Summer. Just I saw you put the name right, Summer. Bill, it's up to you. Yeah. Because Bill is asking whether the lesson on every Thursday is enough. Okay, actually, what most parents do is they sign up for holiday program as well. But again, it's depending on each parent. Some parents want their children to have consistent help. So it's really up to you. I won't say it's a yes or no. It's really up to you. Yeah. Travis, do you want to go off? Travis, waiting for my worksheet, right? Our dear boy here, his birthday was just over. He asked me for present, and guess what he wants? Worksheets. Yeah, he's a very smart boy, very hardworking and humble as well. Right now, Travis, just say yes, okay? When someone prays you, just say yes. Okay, 9:22 already. Oh my gosh. Okay, parents, do you want to go back? Okay, yes, Chan Yi, you're welcome. Yeah, I hope you learned something from it. Okay, Chan Yi, hold on for a while. Okay, I know that it's not easy for your child. For the marks that you shared with me, it's not easy for you either. So help your child with paper 1. Also the problem sum types. There are 12 of them. Okay. At the same time, keep your child's confidence up. Can you do that for not okay? Do that not for me or for yourself. Do that for your daughter. Keep her confidence up. Is that okay? Chanyi? Travis, good night. Yeah. This is what I fear. Many children feel that they cannot do it. and it's very painful to even hear it. Okay, Belle, I appreciate that. Yep. Okay, sorry people, I have to go off already because it's very late and my girls need me as well. Well, with that, thanks so much and I hope you learned something from it. Okay, good night. Take care and bye-bye. Bye-bye, Amy. Bye-bye. Thanks, Shani. Yes, everybody stay safe.